Hey, what's up everyone? It's Altered Tech back again with another episode. In today's video, we have a very special surprise from Nothing. So, as you guys know, I got the Nothing Air 3A headphones, and it's in pink. So, I did go on vacation, recently came back, and I did take this with me. And the reason is because the audio quality, it's perhaps my favorite out of all the other headphones I've been using. It's the sound profile. So, for many years, I've been a bass head, but then I've decided to kind of tone it down. I've tried to become more of an audiophile, if that makes sense. Trying to appreciate the highs, trying to appreciate the mids, and toning down the bass. But it's by nature, I am a bass head. So once I tried these on and I experienced the heavy bass on these, I just couldn't really go back to my other headphones. And like I've said in my other videos, I do have the Google Buds 2As, I do have the Samsung Galaxy Pro 3s. And yes, I've tried cranking up the bass on those headphones, but it seems like Nothing decided to go ahead and place an extra emphasis on the bass on these headphones, so you do get the extra kick. This video is about the unboxing, so let's go ahead and unbox the yellow Nothing 3. The yellow Nothing Air 3As. It reminds me of the Donkey Kong cartridge. So the funny thing is for my birthday, I got the Donkey Kong cartridge for the Game Boy. Came in just in time. Same yellow, same kind of excitement. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. Same procedure. There's a pull tab right over here. And let's go ahead and just slide this out. And I'm super excited. This reminds me a lot like Bumblebee from Transformers. Something about, I guess it's the futuristic look to it, plus that yellow. And you do get that same nice clear case. I was watching a video interview with the designers of these headphones, and there was a lot of thought that went into it. A very nice, satisfying feel. Opening case, it's magnetic. There is no manual, push down to click. Very nice. The yellow with the white and red accents. And let me go ahead and put on these Nothing Air 3A headphones. Noise cancellation is on. I think they're going to look beautiful on Rachel. It really did. I took some product shots. If you guys want to go ahead and check my Instagram or Twitter to check out those. But these compliment me a lot better than the pink ones. So Nothing, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for sending these out. And now that I have my first experience with the Nothing, headphone product line, I have the itch to try out their smartphones and their other devices as well, because having a good first impressions, it's very important. The only way to really appreciate how good these headphones are is by trying them out. And I know it's Earbuds. The only way for you to really try them out is if you buy them and test them. There's a lot of popular, really good YouTubers out there who specialize in audio, and they've had nothing but nice things to say about these headphones, so they are the real deal. Anyways, these are the yellow Nothing Air 3A headphones. Hope you guys enjoyed my quick unboxing, and that's pretty much it. So now I can do my own full testing in public, and Rachel could go ahead and do her own testing as well. Combine it together. If you guys want to see the full review, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll try to do my best to make a very good full review. If there's any special categories you guys want me to cover, be sure to let me know. Anyways, this is Altered Tech. Hope you guys have a great and a wonderful day. Take care. Peace.